Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be providing updates on closures, renovations, and new resorts on the island of Jamaica. Firstly is the closure of beaches Ocho, Rios, which is set to take place on May 31st, 2025, and this came as a shock. But it was announced earlier this year that there will be a beaches opening in Runaway Bay, and that will have 400 1 to 4 bedroom suites as well as villas. It will include wellness areas, skateboarding, bike trails, and a climbable treehouse, along with access to the Runaway Bay Golf Club and farm-to-table dining. Earlier this year, the adults-only Jewel Paradise Cove in Runaway Bay closed its doors, but not to worry, in its place is going to be Royalton CHIC Jamaica. The CHIC brand is the adults-only party vibe under Royalton, and there will be a jerk hut as well as a buffet and events hosted by the iconic Chic Angels. For those that want a more elevated experience, you can upgrade to Diamond Club, which includes butler service. Next up is UNICO 1877, and the 1877 actually represents its coordinates in the world. It is an adults-only brand, luxury brand, and the opening of the one in Jamaica is following the success of the one in Riviera Maya, Mexico. It is opening or slated to open in 2025. Reservations aren't open yet, but they soon will be. Rooms will feature direct ocean views, and ground floors will have swim-up pools, with the remaining rooms having jacuzzis on the terrace, and it will also include 24-hour room service. Two other resorts that are planned to be in the same complex are the Hard Rock and Ava, which are both family resorts, and they are both luxury resorts as well. The Hard Rock is known for its rock infusion, and Ava is more of a family-friendly version of the UNICO, so it has the same type of feel and the same type of aesthetic. Moon Palace has a location in Ocho, and now they're looking to build one in Montego Bay as well. With over 1,200 lavish rooms planned, this resort will be scheduled to open in 2028 with a water park, 6 pools, restaurants, wedding kiosk, overwater bungalows, and so much more. Grand Palladium is expanding. The new project will add over 948 rooms to the resort, which is located in Lucy between Negril and Montego Bay. The expansion will also introduce the club family selection at Grand Palladium, a VIP club that offers families exclusive amenities and personalized experiences. With this expansion comes the introduction of TRS Hotel to Jamaica. TRS is the brand's adult-only resort and will also have a high level of service and attention to detail. Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica will be closing for a complete renovation from January 10th to December 1st, 2026. Some of the rooms have already been upgraded to Junior Suite Premium, but there are going to be enhancements to common areas and there will be more dining options. The adults-only luxury Runaway Bay side will remain open during the renovations. There are also rumors that Bahia is building a third resort in the destination. Catalonia took over from the Holiday Inn Resort and now they have begun renovations. They are converting 200 of the rooms on the right side of the hotel, and the rest of the 322 rooms will be offering service as usual. The renovations are scheduled from May to October 2025. In the meantime, the adult-only pool will be closed. Those are all the updates I have for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.